Elephants are remarkable creatures with many fascinating characteristics. Here are some interesting facts about elephants. 1. Elephants are the largest land mammals on Earth. There are two main species, the African elephant and the Asian elephant. 2. African elephants are larger than Asian elephants. Male African elephants can weigh up to 12,000 pounds, 5,400 kilograms, and stand around 10 to 13 feet, 3-4 meters, tall at the shoulder. 3. Both male and female African elephants have tusks, while only some male Asian elephants have tusks. The tusks are elongated incisor teeth and can grow to be several feet long. 4. Elephants are highly intelligent animals with complex social structures. They exhibit empathy, self-awareness, and the ability to use tools. 5. Female elephants, known as cows, live in tight-knit family groups led by the oldest female, called the matriarch. Males, called bulls, typically live alone or in bachelor groups. 6. Elephants have a strong sense of community and demonstrate behaviors like mourning their dead, comforting distressed individuals, and helping injured or stuck herd members. 7. Elephants are herbivores and spend a significant portion of their day eating. They consume a wide range of vegetation, including grass, leaves, bark, and fruits. 8. An adult elephant can eat up to 300 to 600 pounds, 136-272 kilograms, of food per day and drink around 30 to 50 gallons, 113-190 liters, of water. 9. Elephants are excellent swimmers and can use their trunks as snorkels while submerged in water. They also enjoy bathing and covering themselves in mud, which helps protect their skin from sunburn and insect bites. 10. Conservation status varies for different elephant populations. African elephants are classified as vulnerable or endangered, depending on the subspecies, due to habitat loss and poaching. Asian elephants are also considered endangered due to habitat loss, poaching, and human-elephant conflict. These facts provide a glimpse into the incredible world of elephants. Let me know if you would like to learn more or if you have any specific questions.